Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. If you don't know me, I'm gonna watch Chernobyl season 1, episode 1. I decided to start this show, this season, because I heard a lot of good advice about this show, about how it's filmed, how it's done, how it's written. It seems to be a really good show, so I wanted to give it a try. I still don't know if I'm gonna post these reaction videos on YouTube or not. I'm trying. I'm gonna watch it and maybe I'm gonna post it, maybe not. If you are watching this, it means that I decided to post the reaction videos about this season of Chernobyl. About Chernobyl, I mean about the real Chernobyl in real life. I have to say that I already watched a lot of documentaries about this event, about this tragedy. I already watched a lot of stuff about it. So really I want to say that I'm beginning this show. I'm not like, I don't know what happened, I don't know anything about this event. No, really, I know stuff about it. I'm not like an history teacher that can teach you stuff about it and I can't like speak about it hours and hours, but I know stuff about it. I know the chronology of it a little. And you know, maybe I saw more documentaries about how it is right now, how Pripyat, I don't know how to say it in English, Pripyat, in French we are saying Pripyat. I know how Pripyat is now in our days. I know a lot about that. I know the chronology of Chernobyl, the event, the tragedy of Chernobyl. So I know stuff about that. I don't know all of it about that and I'm not gonna teach you all of it about that. So yes, I prefer to warn you about that, about the fact that I know some stuff about it, but not all of it, because maybe sometimes for some facts I'm gonna be like, did it really happen like that? I thought it didn't. So I'm gonna wonder about that, I'm gonna doubt about that, and sometimes really I'm not gonna see if they're taking liberties with the real story or not, because I don't know that thing about Chernobyl. So don't judge me if at some moment I'm doubting of the show, it's because of the stuff that I watched about Chernobyl and Pripyat. And also don't judge me if sometimes I'm not reacting during things that happened during the show because I just don't know about it. I know stuff about it, but I don't know all about it. I'm really excited to begin this show because really I read good advices about it and I think it can be really a show for me, so I'm really excited to watch it. And it's an HBO show and usually I like what HBO is doing, I like what they are producing, so I can love this show. We'll see. Okay, so let's go for this episode 1 of the season 1 of Chernobyl. Let's go!
And as for what the Atlas did do, the man doesn't deserve prison. He deserves death.
Who is speaking? Who recorded that? And why are we listening to that?
Been sentenced 10 years for criminal mismanagement.
Oh, you! You are the one who recorded that. You are the one who is speaking. You are listening to yourself?
Because you see, to them, a just world is a sane world.
After Chernobyl?
Sane about Chernobyl.
Yes. After Chernobyl, nothing was sane.
I've given you everything I know. Don't deny it, of course.
Why did you record that? For who And what are you gonna do now? You're gonna kill yourself or something like that? He's hiding that thing for someone, but someone was also watching him, no? You're under surveillance. People are watching you. He's gonna kill himself. I really have this impression. You know stuff, you recorded yourself. He said that they were gonna deny it. You're not gonna be there. Why is the blood? Why is the blood on the tissue? Why the food for this cat in advance? He just hung himself. Pripyat. That was it.
There's a fire in the turbine hall. The turbine hall. You and Toxinati morons blew the tank.
That's why they just called firemen at first. They called firemen to shut down that fire. They didn't call the cavalry at first.
There is no core. It exploded. The core exploded. He's in shock. Get him out of here. The lid is off. The sack is burning. I saw it. Get the hydrogen out of the generators and pump water into the core. Why not fire? Call the fire brigade.
They called firemen to shut down that fire. It's a nuclear plant. It's making me so mad and so angry because that decision that day, it caused so much horrible stuff for those people. They didn't evacuate at first. They took days to tell people around to evacuate because at first they didn't think about how big, how dangerous it was. Is that real recording?
Problem's the roof. It's got in tar, so it's gonna burn all night and I'll stay my cow. That's it.
They didn't know back then. I'm not sure it's a show for me. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna watch all of this episode 1, but I'm not sure it's a show for me because of what I said during the intro and because it's making me really mad to see what happened and
Your face.
what.
Hey! You need to get to the reactor hall. The lift's destroyed. Stay here. I'll come back.
I can't scream and say get out, run and all of that because I know that they didn't do it right on time. They called the firemen and firemen died in so much pain because of that decision to call firemen to stop a fire in a nuclear plant.
I'm gonna leave out here. Kill yourself. What does the decimeter say? 3.6 wrong, but that's as high as I need to 3.6. Not great or terrible. We did everything right.
I want to cry. You have the impression that you did everything right, but now we know that they didn't. These firemen, really. I saw a documentary about how much they suffered. It's hard for me to watch that.
That's it.
some of them are gonna die right there, and some of them are gonna suffer and die in pain, and the rest of them are gonna live with that forever. Run! Get out! Alert people! Don't! Are you... I'm really like... I'm trying to reassure myself by saying that we learned from that. We learned from all of those mistakes that they are making just right there. We learned from that.
It'll be fine.
No. It's not gonna be any one of them.
Stop. I looked right into it. I looked into the core. Take him to the infirmary.
It's not enough! Can't you not see that?
It's delusional. His face. Ruptured condenser lines. The feed water is mildly contaminated. It'll be fine. I've seen worse. We have to keep water flowing into the core. We need electricians, mechanics. We need bodies.
You're gonna have bodies. You're not gonna have humans walking. You're gonna have dead bodies.
Call up the day shift, Koran Akimov.
I don't know about what Akimov did. I don't know, but what that man is doing by not hearing the dangerousity of what is happening right now, I know about that.